KUS English classes by Satyam Goel. The features of KUS English classes is that it is free and online classes. In these classes, step by step learning is focused and the quality of content and teaching is good. Please share my videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and WhatsApp. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I will upload a new video. Namaste. Welcome to KUS English classes. I am Satyam Goel. I will teach you English. Before I start today's video, I want you all to please keep out your notebook and pen or pencil with whatever you write. So let's start. Today we will look at concrete nouns. CONCRETE. Concrete noun. So what is concrete noun? All the things that are present in the world is concrete noun. Some of you were thinking that why I had said this. So to define my statement, I will write now what is the definition of concrete noun. All the things or material that can be sensed through our senses is known as concrete noun. As CONCRETE noun. There are 5 senses in human body. They are first eyes, second nose, third ears, fourth tongue, and fifth and the last is skin. So the work of eyes are, now we will write, now I will write now I will tell you work of each and every sense. So the work of eye is to see, work of nose is to smell, work of ears is to hear, work of tongue work of tongue is to taste, the work of skin is to sense or touch, or we can say that, or to feel anything. So we will look once again at what is concrete noun. All the things or material that can be sensed through our senses is known as concrete noun. There are five senses in human body. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. The work of eye is to see. The work of nose is to smell. The work of ears is to hear. The work of tongue is to taste. The work of skin is to sense or to touch or to feel anything. I will give you 10 seconds to please click the screenshot of these notes. I hope you have clicked the screenshot of these notes. Now let us look at examples of concrete noun. So the examples of concrete noun are examples of concrete noun are. You would be thinking that why I had written the example of concrete noun as all the proper noun, all the common noun. So to explain these, I will tell you some examples. So let's see what are the proper noun example of concrete noun. So we will define them by each senses. First we will look at example of concrete noun one by one. So we will first see by sight or see. The first example of concrete noun is dog. Common noun. Jack. Proper noun. So you will be thinking why I had written example of concrete noun in. So you would be thinking that why I had written dog in the example of concrete noun, because when we see dog, then we use our sense, that is eye, to see. When we are using our sense eye to see anything, so that is the reason why they are example of concrete noun. Jack is an example of proper noun. It is a name of a man. So it is also an example of concrete noun because we see Jack through our eyes, not through our other senses. Now we will look at examples of hearing. The example of hearing is whistling, and it is a common noun. Star blowing or sparkling. That is the example of proper noun. So now we will see examples of orange. Orange is common noun. So the taste of orange is sour in nature. Can only know the taste of orange when we taste through our tongue. So that is the reason orange is example of concrete noun. Can only know the taste of orange when we taste through our tongue. So that is the reason orange is example of concrete noun. Of taste is reese. R-E-A. R-E-E-S-E. Reese is peace. It is proper noun. It is proper noun. Basically, pieces are pieces of cake. So I will give you 10 seconds to please click the screenshot of these notes. I hope you have clicked the screenshot of these notes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.